Hello everyone. So today video is going to be a one of the interest one. What is this? Iceland. Quite simply, islands are bodies of land that are surrounded by water. The water can be a lake, a river, a sea, or an ocean. An island can be any size, from a tiny dot in the traffic to the two largest on the planet, Australia and Antarctica, more often considered the continents. Australia, the smallest continent, more than three times the size of Greenland, the next largest island. The very small islands are often referred to as the islands. Many islands sit in the splendid isolations thousands of miles from the nearest mainland. Others, such as the Aleutians of Alaska and the Cyclades or Greece, cluster together in closely spaced groups called archipelagos. Island coverings range from barren rock to permanent ice to lush tropical vegetation. Island fauna can vary from microscopic, such as those that predominate in Antarctica, to the insect, bird, reptile, amphibian, and mammal rich habitats of the Indonesia islands, different terms of human populations as well. From the unique habitat to the densely populated metropolitan areas of Tokyo and New York City and the islands of Honshu and Manhattan, respectively. Islands can be classified into three major groups: continental, oceanic, and barrier. A fourth group, coral, forms as part of an atoll. Continental islands were once connected to a continent. They can form in one of several ways. Some, notably Greenland and Madagascar, broke off from their continental base as a result of continental drift over millions of years. Others came into being as low-lying areas floated when sea levels rose at the end of the ice ages. The British Isles, for example, were isolated from the mainland Europe. Weathering and erosion over time can also separate a piece of land from a continental mainland. The flow of the Orinoco River separates the island of Trento from the rest of the South America, for instance. Oceanic islands form when undersea volcanoes erupt, swept lava bills of over time, increasing in height until the layers break the ocean surface. The Hawaiian Islands grew this way. Thank you for watching. You like this video, please like and share, subscribe, comment to my channel. Seeing this next video. Until then, bye bye. See you later.